You do not need a fancy meal plan, a stack of glass containers, or a fridge full of expensive health food to eat well at lunch. In fact, one of the cheapest lunch upgrades is also one of the simplest. Stop throwing food away. The average USA household spends a lot on food each year, and a meaningful chunk of that money still ends up uneaten. That is where this gets interesting. The people who seem good with money are often just good at turning scraps, leftovers, and basic ingredients into lunches that actually work. And near the end, I'm going to show you the tiny lunch rule that can quietly save way more money than most coupon tricks. Number 1. Start with what is already in your kitchen. A zero-waste lunch does not begin at the store. It begins with a quick look in your fridge, freezer, and pantry. Before you buy anything, ask one question. What needs to be used first? That one habit can stop so much waste. Maybe you have half a bell pepper, a spoonful of rice, 2 eggs, and a little shredded cheese. That is not random. That is lunch. Turn it into fried rice, an omelet wrap, or a grain bowl. When beginners say, "I don't have lunch ingredients," what they often mean is, "I don't have a perfect recipe." You don't need one. Number 2. Build lunches from 4 cheap parts. The easiest way to make low-cost lunches is to think in parts, not recipes. Use 1 base, 1 protein, 1 vegetable, and 1 flavor booster. A base could be rice, pasta, potatoes, oats, or bread. A protein could be beans, lentils, eggs, tuna, chicken, tofu, or leftover meat. A vegetable could be raw carrots, wilted spinach, frozen peas, roasted onions, or that last cucumber. A flavor booster could be salsa, soy sauce, yogurt sauce, mustard, lemon juice, or a little shredded cheese.
For example, rice plus black beans plus corn plus salsa becomes a burrito bowl. Bread plus egg salad plus lettuce becomes a sandwich. Pasta plus peas plus leftover chicken plus a little dressing becomes cold pasta lunch. Number 3, leftovers are not boring, they are budget gold. A lot of people waste food because they think leftovers are the same meal all over again. They do not have to be. The trick is to give leftovers a new job. Leftover roasted vegetables can go into a wrap. Last night's chicken can become chicken salad. Extra rice can become fried rice. A lonely burger patty can be chopped into a taco bowl. A little chili can become a baked potato topping. This matters because food away from home still eats a big piece of the average household food budget. When lunch is not ready, takeout starts to look tempting. Number 4, the jar lunch trick saves space, time, and money. If you want a lunch that feels organized without much effort, use a jar or any reusable container with layers. Put dressing or sauce at the bottom, sturdy items in the middle, and delicate items on top. For example, chickpeas, chopped cucumber, tomato, rice, and lettuce can become a layered salad jar. Or try leftover pasta, peas, diced carrots, and yogurt dressing. When you're ready to eat, shake it or dump it into a bowl. This works well because it uses small amounts. That matters. A little leftover corn here and half a tomato there may not look like much alone, but together they become lunch. Number 5, soup is one of the best zero-waste lunches ever. Soup is where odd ingredients go to become something comforting. Soft carrots, extra beans, leftover chicken, a spoonful of rice, and broth can all come together fast.
If you do not have broth, use water with seasoning. If you do not have meat, use lentils. If you do not have fresh vegetables, frozen ones work great. Soup is forgiving. That is why it is such a smart beginner lunch. One easy example is a fridge clean-out soup. Onion, carrots, beans, canned tomatoes, and whatever greens need to be used. Another is potato soup made from old potatoes, milk, and a little cheese. Number 6. Fried rice fixes more problems than you think. Fried rice is one of the best answers to food waste because it turns small leftovers into a full meal. Day-old rice works best, but fresh rice can work too. Add oil to a pan, cook onion or garlic if you have it, toss in vegetables, add rice, then stir in egg, tofu, or leftover chicken. Finish with soy sauce or another sauce you like. You can make a breakfast-style fried rice with egg and spinach, a taco-style version with beans and salsa, or a veggie version with peas, carrots, and scrambled egg. It is cheap, flexible, and fast. Number 7. Wraps beat sandwiches when ingredients look messy. Sometimes you have ingredients that are too little or too awkward for a neat sandwich. That's when a wrap wins. A wrap can hold roasted vegetables, beans, rice, chopped chicken, hummus, or salad greens. Even a spoonful of leftover mac and cheese can work inside a wrap with greens for a strange but surprisingly good lunch. This is useful because zero-waste eating is not about making food pretty, it's about making food useful. Number 8. The snack plate lunch is a secret weapon. Not every cheap lunch has to be cooked. A snack plate lunch can save ingredients that might otherwise get ignored. Use cut fruit, crackers, cheese, boiled eggs, nuts, carrot sticks, cucumber slices, hummus, or a small portion of leftovers. Think of it as a grown-up Lunchable, but cheaper and less wasteful. This works especially well on busy days when you do not want to cook. It also helps use little bits of food before they spoil. Number 9. Beans and lentils stretch almost anything. If your lunch budget is tight, beans and lentils are your best friends. They are filling, cheap, and easy to mix into bowls, wraps, soups, and salads. Add lentils to soup. Add black beans to rice bowls. Mash chickpeas with yogurt or mustard for sandwich filling. Stir white beans into pasta. These foods make lunch feel complete without needing expensive meat. That matters because wasted groceries cost real money at home, and simple staples can help lower that loss. Number 10. Freeze small portions before they go bad, not after, before. Freeze extra rice in small portions. Freeze soup in containers. Freeze bread before it gets stale. Freeze chopped peppers or onions for future cooking. Even leftover beans can be frozen. This creates your own low-cost lunch backup system. Then, on a tired day, you do not have to buy lunch. You already made future you a favor. Number 11. Sauces rescue plain food. A lot of people think they hate leftovers. Really, they hate dry leftovers. Sauce changes everything. Plain rice and beans become exciting with salsa. Leftover chicken becomes fresh with yogurt and lemon. Roasted vegetables become better with mustard dressing. Pasta wakes up with olive oil and garlic. A tiny amount of flavor can save a whole meal from being ignored in the fridge. Number 12. Pack water and skip the extra drink. This sounds small, but it adds up. If you make a cheap lunch and then buy a drink with it, your savings shrink fast. Carry water in a reusable bottle, or make iced tea at home, or bring lemon water. The lunch still feels complete, but you avoid spending extra every workday or school day. Number 13. Give every leftover a deadline. A simple system beats good intentions. Put a sticky note on leftovers or keep them in one visible spot. Give them a use-by plan. For example, cooked rice becomes fried rice tomorrow. Roasted vegetables go into wraps on Thursday. Chicken becomes soup on Friday. This prevents the sad mystery container problem. A lot of food waste happens because people forget what they already have, not because they never cared. Number 14. Cheap lunches feel better when they still feel fun. Saving money does not mean eating depressing food. Add crunch, color, and variety. Toast the bread. Cut the fruit. Add pickles. Use spices. Change the shape. Serve it differently. A baked potato bar lunch can use cheese, beans, leftover broccoli, and yogurt. A mini taco box can use rice, beans, lettuce, salsa, and crushed chips. A pasta salad can feel fresh instead of tired if you add something crunchy. Small changes make budget lunches feel like a choice, not a punishment. Number 15. The real money saver is the 2-lunch rule. Here is the tiny rule I mentioned at the start. Do not try to make 7 different lunches. Make 2 lunch ideas you actually like and repeat them. Maybe lunch 1 is fried rice, lunch 2 is wraps, or lunch 1 is soup, lunch 2 is pasta salad. Repeating a couple of simple lunches makes shopping easier, waste lower, and decisions faster.
People often waste money chasing variety they do not have time to manage. Simplicity usually wins. So if your lunches have been costing too much, the answer may not be buying cheaper food, it may be finally using the food you already paid for. Start with one shelf in your fridge. Build one lunch from what is there. Then do it again tomorrow. Which zero-waste lunch idea would you actually try first?